Up first this evening, Education Minister Will Reid says the confusion that has emerged about the books to be used to prepare students for the Primary Exit Profile PEP exams is down to schools not following the ministry's directives.
Mr. Reid was responding to reports that some parents have been demanding refunds from schools which ask parents to purchase GSAT books. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
To buy or not to buy? A decision parents purchasing books for grade 6 students had to grapple with this past summer. That's because some book lists still had GSAT books despite the rollout of the Primary Exam Profile PEP. In the end, some parents purchased the books. But now there's a problem. Some schools have indicated that those GSAT textbooks are no longer being used. Parents who bought them have gone back to bookstores demanding refunds. But speaking with our news center today, Education Minister Will Reid expressed disappointment that the book list guidelines were not followed by some schools. He stressed, however, that the content for PEP is the same as GSAT, so the textbooks can still be used.
Now, to anybody who is reasonable, if it is that you're transitioning from GSAT to PEP, we have been in the market long ago to say that the items are going to be different. The issue for me is the workbooks for GSAT that some schools seem to have indicated that parents should purchase. And I cannot understand that kind of irresponsible behavior by any school administration. But you can't get an instruction, yeah? And you know, don't abide by the instruction, and you go and send misinformation to your stakeholders. That is actually unacceptable.
Mr. Reid did not outline how the matter would be addressed, but he said the ministry will be making contact with the offending schools.
It's not a wide-scale issue. There is localized. I will try to get my officers to indicate exactly which schools are in breach, but we are very clear what the guidance was.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.